Hello and welcome today to a new vlog. It's very early right now. It's 9:30 in the morning and the sun is burning after a couple of days of non-stop raining. Today we are going to Kathu Waterfall here in Phuket. We just stopped for some breakfast. I'm gonna show you a little bit. We have seen there's a few waterfalls. I think they will have seen that here in Phuket there's like 3 or 4. There was one where you had to pay and we're not up for that, so we're just going to one that is allegedly for free, but I will keep you updated and I will show you how it is. They say that the water is very, very cold, but that is completely needed because the heat is completely insane. Just remember, it's 9:30 in the morning and the sun is super strong. I'm gonna show it to you. Like strong. I bet that in a couple of hours it's gonna be raining 100%. That's how crazy the weather is here in Thailand. As expected, it rained on the way, we know it, and we went from very sunny to cloudy skies. The good thing is that we are very close to the waterfall, so
It's rain, hallelujah, it's rain, right,
like I literally read whatever I want. It's called Phuket Wake Park, and I thought it was a water park.
work. Work. To me, I be work. You see me do me that.
So allegedly we have to walk from here. Well, finally here. It rained right here. Who made it through the rain? But it's gonna rain obviously again. So very grayish. I think we need to take some stairs. A land for rent. All this area is very local. It smells a little. Okay, here we go. It's open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. I hate walking. And I hate taking stairs. There is some homeless dogs. I'm very afraid of dogs. Guys, when it was raining on the way, we only had 2 raincoats and we were 3 on the bike, so we stopped to put the raincoat, and there was a woman who was also stopping on the bike herself, so she could see that we were 3 people and we only had 2 raincoats, and she gave us hers. Honestly, Thai people is so nice. These things, of course, it's less likely to happen in Europe. If it's raining, I'm not giving you my raincoat to get wet myself and give it to you, you know. But yeah, she did it, so we thanked her a lot. I'm already dying. This reminds me to that day that me and Irene went to that temple in Bangkok. There were so many hills. Oh. Guys, the day we went to the Monkey Hill. Where's that footage, by the way? There is people already swimming here. It's Thai people. I think we're not even halfway and we already did. But look how beautiful. Experiencing this during the rain. God damn it. Ole. Oh. Iole. This is a mix from Dora the Explorer and Pippi Longstrump.
Här kommer Pippi Långstrump, tjolahopp, tjolahopp.
Now it starts to rain very heavily. Like, I swear a lot of times I try to do different things and like more nature things, and I really want to see these things, but Taking this many stairs, honestly, should be illegal. Irene, espérame. Cannot take it anymore. Why? Why they couldn't put the elevator? Come on, I'm strong. The more I talk, the more difficult it gets. I know. Look at the wind. Somebody bring me back home. I can hear the waterfall. I know it's close. We are about to make it. This is proof that in Phuket there's a lot more than just Patong Beach and nightlife. Oh, mushrooms! Can you guys see them? I wonder what type of mushrooms are they? I'm in full Dora the Explorer mood today. I'm gonna mix between wet from the rain and sweat because it's fucking hot. Is this more?
Sí. Mira.
How crazy. It looks like snow. Can you guys see it? I'm sweating really bad. I think we have chosen a very bad day to come here. I must say that the way is not that bad as I thought. It's just the humidity and the rain that makes it complicated, and that we are not wearing the indicated shoes for this. I'm wearing flip-flop. Irene is also wearing some kind of sandals. But I lost my sneakers and Pattaya, which were for this. Oh, look at this. Beautiful. Is this considered hiking? I guess so. I'm gonna wet my feet now. Oh! It's freezing. Very, very cold. It's freezing.
Cuando quiere referirse a regañarte a ti siempre es exagerado. ¿Cómo puede ser? Decimos constante, que yo voy esperando las uñas pegadas. Fran, Fran, Fran de la uña, Fran, Fran. ¡Fran!
¡Me cago!
¿Te has tocado una hoja?
¡Hay un bicho en una lagartija!
¡Esa es! ¡Esa es su esencia! ¡Tom! ¡Tom! ¡Ole, ole, ole, ole! ¡Sawadika!
Guys, it seems like this is the final destination. The pictures that we have seen on Google were different. Maybe we just came in a period of time where it's still dry. I don't know. But this was our luck in Kathu Waterfall here in Phuket. I think most of the TikToks that I have seen, they were posted in around October. I think it's after it have already been the rainy season here in Thailand. So of course the waterfall gets filled up with water and there is more quantity. How beautiful. Update on the waterfall. We found a second waterfall. The water is very dirty though. But this is, at least, it's better looking than the other one. Oh, the water is freezing. But you can see clearly, like, right there, it should also be coming out water. But we definitely came in a bad timing. There is like a hole. Now I'm gonna take it with me to the water. I don't like when things touch my feet. I hate it. Guys, after the terrible weather and the waterfall not being what we expected, we came to Rawai. Irene loving Rawai. She's not very happy because of the sun. So we're just walking right now to the beach. Going to take a swim because I promise it's very, very, very hot. How safe is this? There it is. On our way to the beach, we found the tops and there was a stand of roti right there. Okay, in this beach, there was literally nobody into the water. So we were like, should we go in? I don't think there's nothing strange with it. Besides that it's very hot, like all the seawater on Thailand. Está super caliente. Irene is saying that we're gonna find sharks here. Irene, no creo. Look how beautiful.
Subscribe, like and comment. Like and comment.
Over there, it looks beautiful. I don't know if you can see it good. Estoy no fin de semana. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. It's like the more deep that I go, the further inside that I go, the less deeper it gets. But it's supposed we cannot swim further than here because there's already these boyas. Me ha ido por aquí. Yo le estoy echando ahora. Like we have told you guys, this is our first time in Rawai, even though we have been almost 1 month here in Phuket. But we're still discovering new places. There's a lot of parts of the island that we haven't been into, especially because my family also have been here for the last couple of weeks, and yeah, we cannot stop finding beautiful places here. This looks so dreamy. This looks like it have been taken out of a movie. This is the view of the restaurant we decided to eat something in. It's called Coming Home and it's also here in Rawai. We ended up moving inside of the place because the mosquitoes was impossible to eat with. And this is our food. Me and Irene have ordered the same things.